Howdy, how y'all doing? This is George for this Ram. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Today we're here on the Harmless Sea, and we're going to go ahead and do the ultimate abyss, the zip line, and of course, the carousel. If you're interested in that adventure, come join us. Ten stories, straight down. Woohoo! Oh, I think this will work, right? Okay. Hey, this is the backbone of somebody. Oh, this is scary.
In 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go. Keep pushing.
Awesome. Wow, Terry. Oh. Pull it up. Put it away. Thank you. What you doing?
We're doing the zip line.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you scared?
No.
Oh man. Should be.
Okay, we're going to go on the zip line.
Hey, zip line time.
Zip line time.
I think we have to switch out. Terry go first and I'll go second because we have to handle all of our loose stuff to actually fly with it, I guess. We also need to have tied shoes. You got tied shoes on there?
I do. Tied shoes.
It snows a lot. All this, it snows a lot. So I remember like 1 second, straight after when I just made that first.
Okay, good morning.
All right, my colleagues gonna continue the work. Wait there and enjoy.
So better take film over there.
All right, thank you.
Spaceman all the way. That's enjoyable.
It's fast, it only takes like 3 seconds.
Yeah, it's a fast ride, but it's it moves, like I said. Look down. It's way down there.
I didn't even look down.
Just wave everybody on the boardwalk. Hey, everybody! But if you wave, you just fall off. Ah! So keep those hands on. I have to run to get the elephant. I want the elephant. Last time, some little girl jumped in front of me. Oh, I was upset.
Yeah, front of the line now.
Front of the line. Elephant time.
As long as you run fast enough, I don't beat you.
Ooh, if she beats me to the elephant, oh,
I might get it for you.
I might have to do it again. Elephant? Yeah. Elephant. What? I wanted the elephant.
I get the elephant.
No. Again. Failed.
Too slow.
The elephant is what everybody wants. Look at that. His nose, his eye looking at you.
Is your camera clicking?
There it goes.
Here we go.
Ah. Damn. Oh. Damn. She got the elephant.
Rubbing shoulders. Literally rubbing shoulders.
So romantic. We wanted it to be. Starbucks. London Tower. Big Ben. There's Big Ben again. Thank you for joining us on these 3 fun attractions on the Harmony of the Seas. It's been a fun day jumping from ride to ride, and I hope you enjoyed it with us.
Fearless Rambler. Subscribe to Fearless Rambler.
There you go.
At least watch them.
Yeah, watch him. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. Subscribe and get a free cookie.